Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 2, linear equations in one variables, exercise 2.2, third question. The question is given, what are those two numbers? What are those two numbers? Your sum is 58 and difference is 28. Okay, na? What are those two numbers? So sum is 58 and difference is 28. Clearly the two numbers are unknown, but their sum ఆ రెండింటిని యాడ్ చేస్తే we get that is 58. Their difference ఆ two numbers మధ్య మైనస్ చేస్తే we get that is what nanu 28. So that's why what I am doing here, first writing the data. The sum of given data, the sum of two numbers, that is equals to 58. Okay, so we don't know the two numbers now, but their sum is 58. That's why I am taking let the bigger number, let the bigger number b, that is x. Bigger number వచ్చేసి what I am taking nana x తీసుకుంటాను. Then smaller number is equals to what రా, bigger number x తీసుకుంటే smaller number ఏమవుతుంది మనకి ఇక్కడ, that is smaller number, that is equals to ఈ 58 లో నుంచి బిగ్గర్ నెంబర్ని మైనస్ చేస్తే ఆటోమేటిక్గా మనకు వచ్చేది స్మాలర్ నెంబరే కదా. ఎస్, టూ నెంబర్స్ని యాడ్ చేస్తే 58 వస్తుంది. అందులో బిగ్గర్ నెంబర్ ఎక్స్ అనుకుంటున్నా. ఇఫ్ ఐ వాంట్ స్మాలర్ నెంబర్, ఈ 58లో వచ్చి బిగ్గర్ నెంబర్ని మైనస్ చేయడం, దట్ ఈస్ 58 మైనస్ ఎక్స్. ఓకే, నౌ సీ హియర్ their difference is what nana, their difference is 28 అంటున్నా. So bigger number means that is x. According to the question, the difference between two numbers, the difference between two numbers is 28. Okay, now see their difference, bigger number is x, difference means minus. What is the smaller number nana? The smaller number is 58 minus x is equals to, that is 28. X minus of 58, that is minus 58, minus of minus, that is plus x is equals to 28. Now x plus x, 1x plus 1x, that is 2x, minus 58 is equals to 28. Okay, now minus 58 transposing to RHS side, we get 2x is equals to 28. Minus 58 transposing to RHS side, it becomes plus 58. Now 2x is equals to 28 plus 58, that is 20 plus 50 is 70, 8 plus 8 60, that is we get 86. Okay, now 2x means, that is what nana, the product of 2 and x. So 2 is transposing to RHS side, we get x is equals to, that is 86 by 2. 2 1s are 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. So x is equals to 43, means x nothing but this is the bigger number. This is a bigger number. Bigger number x is equals to 43. Then what is the smaller number? The smaller number means that is 58 minus x. The smaller number is equals to what? 58 minus x means, that is 58 minus x means, that is 43. 8 minus 3, that is 5. 5 minus 4, that is 1. So smaller number is equals to we get what nana 15. Okay na, so clear ga chudandi, we get the smaller number is 15 and the bigger number is 43. ఈ రెండింటిని యాడ్ చేయండి ఒకసారి వెరిఫికేషన్. 43 plus 15, that is what ra 5 plus 3 8, 1 plus 4 5. So the sum of two numbers is what nana, that is 58. And 43 minus 15, so clearly by taking borrow means 13 minus 5, that is 8, 3 minus 1, that is 2. The difference between two numbers is what nana 28. So this is the required verification. Okay, so this is the required answer. Now let us discuss another question. The question is given, the sum of two consecutive odd numbers is 56. Find the two numbers. Question number 4, the sum of two consecutive odd numbers is 56. Find the numbers. Okay, this is the question. The sum of two consecutive odd numbers. Consecutive odd numbers means what? That are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. అంటే 1 తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చే ఆడ్ నెంబర్ దట్ ఈస్ 3. దెన్ ఆఫ్టర్ 3 ఆఫ్టర్ నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చే ఆడ్ నెంబర్ అంటే 5. అంటే వెంటనే వచ్చే ఆడ్ నెంబర్స్. ద సమ్ ఆఫ్ టూ ఆడ్ నెంబర్స్ దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ అయినా 56. ఫైండ్ ద నెంబర్స్. అంటే ఇక్కడ మనకు ఆడ్ నెంబర్స్ ఏంటో తెలియదు ఇక్కడ. క్లియర్లీ దట్ ఆర్ అన్నౌన్. ఓకే, సో దట్స్ వై వాట్ ఐఎమ్ డూయింగ్ హియర్, let the two consecutive odd numbers are 2x plus 1, 2x plus 3. Okay na, what are the two consecutive odd numbers nana? That is 2x plus 1, 2x plus 3. So I just want to verify it. In the place of x I am going to take 1. X place lo nenu 1 తీసుకుంటున్నా. So 2 of 1, that is 2 plus 1. What I get here? 3. Okay. Next if I take in the place of x again 1, 2 of 1 plus 3. 2 1s are 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 what? That is 5. అంటే 3 తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చే ఆడ్ నెంబర్ ఏంటి? దట్ ఈస్ 5. అంటే దీస్ 2 3 5 దీస్ 2 ఆర్ ద కాన్సిక్యూటివ్ ఆడ్ నెంబర్స్. అలానే ఇఫ్ యూ టేక్ ఇన్ ద ప్లేస్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ 0, then what we get? 2 zeros are 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1, that is 1. Okay, again you take in the place of x, that is 0. 2 zeros are 0 plus 3. 0 plus 3, that is 3 only. 1 is the odd number, 3 also odd number. So 1 తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చే ఆడ్ నెంబర్ ఏంటి? దట్ ఈస్ 3. అంటే దీస్ 2 ఆర్ ద కాన్సిక్యూటివ్ ఆడ్ నెంబర్స్. సో clearly the two consecutive odd numbers in the form, that is 2x plus 1, 2x plus 3. Okay na? So according to the question, the sum of two consecutive odd numbers is 56. By problem I'm adding these two numbers, that is 2x plus 1, sum means what? Adding, plus 2x plus 3 is equals to, that is 56. The sum of two consecutive odd numbers, that is equals to 56. ఇక్కడ 2x 2x plus 2x what? That is 4x. 1 plus 3, that is 4, is equals to 56. Plus 4 is transposing to RHS side, we get that is 4x is equals to 56. plus 4 RHSI transpose it becomes minus 4. Now 4x is equals to 56 minus 4, that is 52. 56 minus 4, that is 52. 4x means that is 4 into x. 4 also transpose into RHSI. We get x is equals to, that is 52 by 4 into quantity is becomes division 4. 4 ones are 4 13s are. Okay na, 4 13s are 52. So x is equals to, we get what na? That is 13. So I just want to find the two consecutive odd numbers that are 2x plus 1, that is equals to 2 of x means the value is 13 plus 1. So 2 13s are 26 plus 1. 26 plus 1, that is 27. And next 2x plus 3, that is 2 of, in the place of x I am going to write 13. 2 of 13 plus 3. 2 13s are 26 plus 3. 26 plus 3, that is 29. అంటే 27 తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చే కాన్సిక్యూటివ్ ఆడ్ నెంబర్ ఈస్ దట్ ఈస్ 29 only. 27 29, దీస్ టూ ఆర్ కాన్సిక్యూటివ్ ఆడ్ నెంబర్స్. దేర్ సమ్, ఈ రెండింటిని యాడ్ చేయండి. 27 ప్లస్ 29, 7 plus 9 water, that is 16. 2 plus 2 4 plus 1, that is 5. And the sum of two consecutive numbers, the sum is 56. So this is the required answer for this question. Okay now students, now let us discuss one more question. Okay students, now question number 6. The question is given, a man walks 10 kilometer. A man walks 10 kilometer, then travels a certain distance by train. Okay, a man walks 10 kilometers, then travels a certain distance by train, and then by bus as far as twice by the train. If the whole journey is 70 kilometer, how far did he traveled by train? Okay, so this is the question Nana. So from this question I am going to write the data. What is the required data? The distance traveled by a man, the distance traveled by man on foot, that is what Nana? 10 kilometers. So walking lo the distance cover chesadu 10 kilometers. So we can write the given data. The distance traveled by walk, that is equals to 10 kilometers. అంటే on foot ఎంత distance cover చేశాడు? 10 kilometers. Then travels a certain distance by train. We don't know certain distance he traveled by train. So that's why let the distance traveled by train, that is equals to, we don't know na, that's why that is x kilometer. Okay na, train lo enta distance travel chesado teliyadu, that's why I taken it as x kilometers. And then by bus as far as twice by the train, అంటే ట్రైన్లో ఎంత డిస్టెన్స్ అయితే ట్రావెల్ చేశాడో దానికంటే ట్వైస్ 2 times డిస్టెన్స్ బస్సులో ట్రావెల్ చేశాడు. సో దట్స్ వై we can write, that's why we can write the distance traveled by bus twice of the distance traveled, twice of the distance traveled by train. The distance traveled by bus that is twice of the distance traveled by train. Means that is 2 of x kilometer, that is equals to 2x kilometer. The whole journey is what? By problem the whole journey is 70 kilometer. By problem a man by walks cover a distance that is 10 kilometer plus he covered a distance by train x kilometer plus he covers a distance by bus that is 2x kilometer. Okay na, that is equals to whole journey. ఈ మొత్తం జర్నీ వచ్చేసి that is 70 kilometer. Okay, kilometer cancel. So x 2x that is what? 3x. 1x plus 2x, that is 3x, plus 10 is equals to 70. 10 transposing to RHS side we get that is 3x is equals to 70 minus 10. Then 3x is equals to 70 minus 10, that is 60. X is transposing to RHS side we get x is equals to 60 by 3. That is 3 1s are 3 20s are. So x is equals to what nana? That is 20. Means the distance traveled by a man, distance traveled by train, that is what? 20 kilometer, and by bus what nana? That is twice the train. అంటే 2 into 20 చేస్తే మనకి 40 kilometers distance బస్లో ట్రావెల్ చేస్తాడు. 40 plus 20 60, and by walk he covers 10 kilometers. So the whole journey equals to what? 70. Okay na? So this is the required answer for this question. Okay students, thank you.